Now exercise 11.2 illustration you will solve yourself. The shape of the top surface of the table is trapezium, you can see. Okay. Its parallel sides are 1 meter, 1.2 meter and a perpendicular distance 0.8 meters. So what you will do for this solution? First you will write the two sides of the two parallel sides of trapezium are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and the height is 0.8 meter. Then area of trapezium is equal to half A plus B into H, and then calculate. You will get the area in the square meter. Okay, solve. And already here the example is given. Simple example and so many examples. This is for finding the other side, but we have solved so many examples, so I think you can solve, and if you are having any query you can ask me. The second question, the area of trapezium is given and the length of one parallel sides is given, 10 centimeter, height is given. We have to calculate the other parallel side. So what you will do, you will write given area of trapezium is equal to 34 centimeter square and one parallel side is 10 centimeter, H is equal to 4 centimeter, then area of trapezium is equal half in the bracket A plus B into H. Okay, so in place of area, after that I am solving on the green board so that you can understand easily. Okay, so after that you will write area of trapezium is equal to half into H in the bracket A plus B, that means parallel side, the addition of two parallel sides. Now you can see here trapezium, you will write full spelling. So area of trapezium 34 is equal to half, H is 4 into the parallel first side is 10 plus B. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Or you can write 2 because we have to calculate the value of this. Okay, so 2 into 10 plus B equal to 34. In this you can see in the bracket multiplication sign we assume, so opposite of multiplication is division, so 34 upon 2 17, so 10 plus B is equal to 17, so B equal to 17 minus 10, so other parallel side is 7 centimeter you will write. Now in third question, see the question, the trapezium is given, you can see here. Length of fence of trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. That means length of fence of this outer boundary, that means perimeter. The perimeter of trapezium is given, okay, 120 meter. If BC equal to 48 meter, CD equal to 17 meter, AD equal to 40 meter. Find the area of this field. So area is perimeter is given, all the four sides, and when we add all the three sides, so from the addition of four sides, that means from the perimeter, if sum of three sides we will subtract, we will get fourth side, and fourth side will be called its height. Okay, so we can apply the formula area of trapezium, then we can calculate easily. Let us start. Now see from the figure, all the three sides are given and a perimeter of trapezium is given. So I have written here in the language form. Now sum of all the three sides of trapezium is equal to 48 plus 17 plus 40 from the figure. You can write in this way also. In trapezium ABCD, the perimeter of trapezium, or you can write the sum of all the three sides is equal to BC plus CD plus AD is equal to this. And when you will add, you will get 105 meter. Then length of fourth side will be, the perimeter is all the sum of 4 side. Okay, so 120 minus 105 is equal to 15 meter. When you will subtract 105, you will get the length of third side. The third side, you can see here the perpendicular is given. It is perpendicular, that means height, straight line. Okay, so height of the trapezium now you got, okay, 15 meter. Then area of trapezium is equal to half into HA plus B formula you will apply. So half into 15 in the bracket 48 plus 40, because the parallel sides are, you can see, 40 and 48. So when you will add and divide it by 2, calculate, when you will calculate this, you will get the answer, this 660 meter square. Fourth question, the diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So you can see here the diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field is diagonal and perpendiculars. So that means this quadrilateral has divided into 2 triangles, and we have to calculate the area of this. So 2 triangle, base is given, so base into height, and we will add, so we will get the answer. Let us start. See here I have drawn the figure. Now from the figure, area of triangle ABD, half into base into height. Base is BD because perpendicular is drawn on BD, and height is AE. So half into 24 into 13. So you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 12 into 13. That means 156 meter square. Now area of triangle BCD. So BCD. Base is this, perpendicular is drawn here. So base is this. So BD into CF. That means 24 into 8. Half BD into CF, 24 into 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 24 into 4, 96 meter square. Now total area, that means we have to calculate area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, that means area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. 156 plus 96, that means 252 square meter or meter square. The diagonals of rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. D1 is 7.5, D2, so you can calculate. Now next is find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonals is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. So this question I am solving on the green board. Let us start. Children, you can solve this question also. Base is same, so you can directly apply the formula. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, that means base is this, so half into this base and height H1 plus H2 and this diagonal. So half into D in the bracket H1 plus H2. By this method also you can directly solve. But practically I have solved. So first whatever thought in my mind it came, according to that I have solved. Now see in the next question, rhombus ABCD. Height is given, diagonal is given, side is given. But we know that rhombus is also a parallelogram. Same way. Square is also a rectangle, but rectangle is not a square. Same way rhombus is also a parallelogram, but because it's fulfilled all the properties of parallelogram. So then area of rhombus is equal to base into height. So for base CD, all sides are equal and height will be 4.8 centimeter. So when you will multiply, you will get 24 centimeter square. I have written here meter square by mistake, but you will write centimeter square. Okay. Now we know that according to formula, area of rhombus is equal to half D1 into D2. So area of rhombus already we have calculated. 24 is equal half D1, diagonal is given 8 and D2. So 24, 2 fours are 8. So we can write or 4 d2 equal to 24. So d2 equal to 24 upon 4, that means 4 6 are 24. So diagonal is 6 centimeter. If you know other way, you can solve in other way also. Alternate method also you can apply. Now 7th question, the floor of building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter, 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So simple way, tile is in rhombus shape, diagonals are given for one tile. So we will find the area of one tile, then we'll find the area of 3000 tiles and then change into meter square because it is given in the centimeter, and then multiply for one tile's cost and then for 3000 and we'll get answer. Okay, let us start. Now from the figure you can see diagonals are given for one tile. So we will write from the figure area of one tile. Why we are applying this formula half divided into 2? Because the tile is in rhombus shape. So half divided into d2, 45 into 30 divided by 2. 45 into 30 when you multiply divided by 2, you will get 30 divided by 2. So answer will be 675 centimeter square. Area of 3000 tiles is equal to 3000 into 675. When you will multiply, area of one tile is this, area of 3000 tiles will be this. Now see here, the cost is given for 1 square meter area and we are having area in centimeter square. So we will write, see here, 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter square by exponents rule, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 into 100, 10,000 centimeter square. So we will write here, since 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square, therefore this value we will write centimeter square is equal to this value, we will write in numerator, this will be in the denominator, and this again we will write in the numerator. So this 3 zeros cancelled by this 3 0, 1 0, you can see in the denominator tenths is there. So before one digit we will put decimal. Because 2025 ones are 2025 and before one digit we will put decimal. Now after that we will multiply this value by 4. Now see here, the cost of polishing for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 4. Then the cost of polishing for 202.5 meter square is equal to, or area word also you can add here. So 202.5 into 4. When you will multiply, before one digit you will put decimal, so rupees 810. And so the cost of polishing for the floor is rupees 810. 8th question, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. You can see it's along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. That means its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. That means whatever side of the road is just double, you will get the side of this along the river. So we will assume that if it is x, then it will be 2x. Okay. If the area of this field is this and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. That means this side we have to calculate. Let us start. Now first we assume let the side along the road be x in meter. Then the side along the river be 2x in meter. Then the area of trapezium shaped field is half into h. Parallel sides, the addition of opposite parallel sides. So along the road, assuming we already assumed this x and this along the river 2x. So area is given in the question 10,500 is equal to half, and height is given 100, x plus 2x. Now 100 divided by 2, 50 times. So, or we can write this value in the left hand side and this in right hand side. So, x and 2x. Here 1 we will assume, so x plus 2x, 3x. So 50 into 3x is equal to 10,500 and 53s are 150. So 10,500 divided by 150. So x, that means 70 meter. So the side along the road is 70 meter. Then the side along the river is, or equal sign in place of is you will write 2x. So 2 into 70, 140 meter. Number 9 of 11.2, top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Okay, here you can see height is 4 meter and this is 11 meter and this side is 5 meter. And a regular octagon, that means all sides are equal. So let us start the sum. Now from the figure you can see two identically trapezium you can see and one rectangle. So area of trapezium is equal to half into h and parallel side, opposite parallel sides addition of this. So half into 4 into 11 plus 5. So 2 2s are 4, 2 into 16, that means 32. Same you will get the area of this trapezium. So area of trapezium ABCH is equal to 32 square meter. Now area of rectangle you can see there is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle CDGH equal to 11 into 5, 55 square meter. Then total surface, total area of octagonal surface is equal to 32 plus 32 plus 55. So you will get answer. Okay. Now see in the 10th question, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided in two different ways. Jyoti's diagram and Kavita's diagram. And the diagram is given in this way. Okay. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? So let us start. Okay. Now see, the figure is this. Perpendicular we have drawn from here to here. The length is given. So this will be 30 meter. Now according to Jyoti's diagram, you can see the height is this and parallel sides are this. So we can apply the formula half into h, a plus b. Okay. And two trapeziums are there. So from the Jyoti's diagram, area of trapezium A, B, C, D. Half h, a plus b. 30 plus 15 and height is CD. So half CD, 30 plus 15. So the value of CD we don't know. So we will write as it is 45 upon 2 CD. Similarly, the area of trapezium ADEF. You can see ADEF. This height we don't know. 30 plus 15. So 45 upon 2 DE. 45 upon 2 DE. Now area of pentagonal shaped park according to Jyoti's diagram. Okay. 45 upon 2 CD plus 45 upon 2 DE. Now see here. 45 upon 2 from both the terms. It is common. 45 upon 2, 45 upon 2. So in the bracket the value will be CD plus DE. In the diagram you can see CD plus DE and CD plus DE, that means CE, that means 15 meter. CD plus DE, that means CE, 15 meters. So 45 into 15 divided by 2, you will get 337.5 square meter. Okay, according to Jyoti's diagram. Now Kavita's diagram we will calculate. Now according to Kavita's diagram, you can see square we are getting. 15 meter is given, 15 meter is given, 15. When you will join M to P, you will get 15 meter. So opposite, all sides are equal, that means a square shaped we are getting. Now you can see from here to here, the length is 30 meter and this is 15 meter. So, and you can see we have drawn a perpendicular from L to this point. You can give the name LX, X name you can give. So LX is, so this length is 15 meters, so left length will be also 15 meters because total length is 30 meters. So area of a square MNOP, side into side, 15 into 15, that means 225 square meter. Now triangle base into height. So half into base into height. So area of triangle LMP is equal to half into base into height, half 15 into 15. Base you can see and perpendicular also we have drawn. So 15, already I explained 15 meter. So 225 divided by 2, you will get 112.5 square meter. So area of pentagonal shaped park is equal to 225 plus 112.5, that means 337.5 square meter. Now other way you will find, you can, and I will also find, okay. Now diagram, you can see the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 centimeter by 28 centimeter. You can see adjacent, that means the vertex is common. So these sides are called adjacent sides. Okay. So 24 and 28. And inner dimensions, you can see inner 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. That means trapezium we are getting and this. So we have to calculate each section's area. So let us start. Children, please pay attention in this question. See here, frame is given and dotted line width I have drawn. Now see here, 28 centimeter and 20. So 4 will increase here, 4 will increase here. Then this opposite parallel lines will be equal. That means here the width 4 and below the width 4. Same here, 4, 4. Same way you can see here, 16 is here. So 4, 4. So width of each section will be same in given this in the question. So width, that means height, will be everywhere 4 centimeter. So I have written here first, given in the frame outer dimensions is equal to 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter and inner dimensions is equal to 16 centimeter and by 20 centimeter, and given, you will write here, and given width of its section is same, then width of its section will be 4 centimeter. Already I explained. That means h equal to 4 centimeter. That means height. Okay. So area of trapezium, you can see the area of trapezium A, B, G, E. 28 plus 20, opposite parallel lines, and width, that means height, 4. So the formula half into h, a plus b, that means half into 4, 28 plus 20. So 2 2s are 4, 2 into 48, that means 96 square meter. Same way, similarly you can write, similarly area of trapezium C, D, F, H. Same you will get. Okay. Now we will calculate area of trapezium B, C, H, G. Okay. Similarly the area of trapezium C, D, F, H. You can see C, D, F, H. Okay. 96 square meter. Now area of trapezium B, C, H, G. Opposite parallel sides are 24 plus 16 and width 4. Already I explained. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 40, 80 square meter. Same way, this trapezium and this both are identical. So area of trapezium AEFD. Trapezium AEFD is equal to 80 square meter. In the end, you will write, so the area of each frame is 96 square meter. 96 square meter, 80 square meter, 80 square meter. So here 11.2